What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Just Joshin. Today we're going to smoke a chuck roast on the offset. The last chuck roast video I done, I smoked it like a brisket and we sliced it and called it a poor man brisket. This video we're going to smoke it like a pork butt and we're going to pull it at the end and have pulled beef sandwiches. Got the fire going, get the temperature regulated, going to cook at 225. Salt, pepper, garlic is the only thing I'm going to put on chuck roast. So let's get started. All right, so this is a little over a 2-pound beef chuck roast. Go ahead and get into it here. Take a pack, dry it off real good. Had to come in here out of the wind. All right, here's your chuck roast. I'm not going to do any trimming to it. I'm just going to keep it like it is. So we're going to pull it at the end. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put, so when I mix this up, I got 2 parts coarse black pepper, 1 part coarse salt, and then 1 part garlic powder. Put it in, make sure it's mixed up real good. That's all we're putting on the chuck roast. You want to make sure it's all incorporated real good. I like the coarseness, as always on beef. Cover both sides. And always cover the sides. All right, we're gonna let this set up, sweat in real good, and then we'll get it out on the smoker. All right, chuck roast is sweated in good. Now it's time to get it on the offset. All right, we'll let that rest a little while in there, and then we'll come check on it maybe about an hour or two. Just keep the fire fed. I'm going off this temperature. Gonna keep it close to 225. I have a thermometer probe in there to look on this side of it, and so just keep an eye on the fire. May spritz, may not have to, but stay tuned and we'll get this on cooked out here. Thing, whatever, cooked thing, chuck, cooked, roast, chuck, cooked. Yeah. All right, so we are 2.5 hours in. We're sitting around 155 internal, and this is what we got so far. I'm gonna let it get up to about 165 or so, and then we're gonna put it in a steam pan and finish it out there. All right, chuck roast's been on for 3 hours. It's temping at 175, 180. So we'll go ahead and put it in the steam pan at this time. Now we got it in the steam pan. Give you a good look at it there. I'm gonna add a little bit of beef consommé. And then cover with some temple. Then we're gonna put it back in the smoker until we temp around 200 and it is probe tender. All right, so total smoke time or in the smoker was 4 hours. I pulled it out, let it rest after it temped. It was temping 205, 206. I pulled out, let it rest for an hour. Now we're gonna shred it up like pulled pork and we're gonna put it on some buns with some barbecue sauce. It looks like it's really late, but it's not. It just gets dark so early now. So let's go ahead and pull it out and shred it and see what we got here. All right, here's our finished product here. I'm gonna finish shredding this up and I'll be right back. All right, we've got us a normal bun here. using some Stubbs barbecue sweet heat. Just a little bit. I tried some, sorry, without the barbecue sauce. Very beefy, salt, pepper, garlic. I can definitely taste the pepper coming through. Smoke flavor. I smoked with white oak. I mean, it's hard to beat an offset with real fire. Some on a sandwich with some barbecue sauce. If you're tired of pulled pork, this is definitely something you should try. If you don't want pulled pork, but you'd rather have beef, smoke a chuck roast and then pull it like pulled pork, and that is hard to beat. The brisket way is also good. I'll link that video, like I said earlier. Last time I done it, smoked it like a brisket and sliced it like a brisket. But this one I want to do like pulled pork, and I wanted to smoke on the offset. Turned out very good. I'm very pleased. Like I said, it's not late. It's actually just now supper time. It's just dark as everything because it's just that time of year. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out some other videos on the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.